Buddy, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Oh, I didn't mean...
You know, in the state of California, you can kill a man for entering your house without permission.
Permission. Permission.
You can kill a man for entering your house without permission.
No interest. I entice the flesh. I don't pay for it. Plus, Tara's coming into town in a couple weeks. I'm saving up all my humors for her.
Humor. Humor.
Saving up all my humors for her.
Richie, pay the lady.
What? Why should I pay her? I didn't hire her. I didn't even get a lap dance.
Lap. Lap.
I didn't hire her. I didn't even get a lap dance.
Well, guys, who is this?
Erlich Bachman. I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur.
Erlich Bachman. I'm an entrepreneur. Actually, sir, my tenants provide their own food and...
What other percentages have you apportioned? Can I see your cap table, investment deck?
Deck. Deck.
Can I see your cap table, investment deck, business plan, or any other relevant paperwork you may have prepared?
I just was under the impression that,
Impression. Impression.
I just was under the impression that,
What I'm asking about is the company itself. Who is it? What do they do? Are they essential?
Essential. Essential.
Are they essential?
it is an ancient Germanic tribe that fought the Romans. They were originally from Scandinavia.
Originally. Originally.
They're originally from Scandinavia. Business plans that are created in...
Venture. Venture.
Business plans that are created in... Business plans that are created in support of new ventures or to implement profound changes in existing venture.
Profound. Profound.
Or to implement profound changes in existing venture.
Don't pander to me. Peter Gregory said specifically to trim the fat.
They actually tried to diagnose me.
Diagnose. Diagnose.
They actually tried to diagnose me with a wasting disease because of my slender frame. And so, I ironed out our customer acquisition strategy.
Acquisition. Acquisition.
So, I ironed out our customer acquisition strategy. And I wrapped our financials. I did a DCF valuation. Most VCs can't even do that math, but
Math. Math.
most VCs can't even do that math, but
I'm not sitting this summer. Of course.
Incredible.
Incredible. Incredible.
Of course. Incredible.
What's weighing on you, Gavin?
Way. Way.
What's weighing on you, Gavin?
Fuck.
Invalid command.
Fuck!
Use the anger, Chella. Use it.
Anger. Anger.
Use the anger, Chella. Use it.
I was one click away from starting a second Iranian revolution.
I actually went to Vassar.
I prevent cross-site scripting.
Script. Script.
I prevent cross-site scripting. I was one click away from starting a second Iranian revolution.
I actually went to Vassar.
I prevent cross-site scripting. I monitor for DDoS attacks.
Monitor. Monitor.
I monitor for DDoS attacks, emergency database rollbacks, and faulty transaction handlings. The internet, heard of it, transfers 0.5 petabyte of data every minute.
Transfer. Transfer.
Petabyte of data every minute. Every dipshit who shits his pants if he can't get the new dubstep Skrillex remix in under 12 seconds. It's not magic, it's talent and sweat.
Sweat. Sweat.
It's not magic, it's talent and sweat.
Code with higher order functions that will run on anything. Period. End of sentence. So basically,
Sentence. Sentence.
period. End of sentence. So basically.
Well, yeah, like, not as good. Richard's a 10Xer, I'm like barely an Xer.
Barely. Barely.
Richard's a 10Xer, I'm like barely an Xer.
Hey, what do you guys think about this Jared? He's shit, right?
No, he's pretty sharp.
Sharp. Sharp.
No, he's pretty sharp.
I mean, I don't think there's room in here for him.
Well, there will be after Richard gets rid of Big Head.
Wait, Richard's getting rid of Big Head? Why?
Rid. Rid.
Wait, Richard's getting rid of Big Head? Why?
A floating utility player, kind of like a jack of all trades.
But by his own admission, he's really more like a master of none.
Admission. Admission.
But by his own admission, he's really more like a master of none.
That's true. That is true.
Which is not something you generally reward with several points in what may someday be a
Reward. Reward.
reward with several points in what may someday be a
Probably walk right back through one more time.
I mean, Mass Effect 3? Harsh.
Harsh. Harsh.
I mean, Mass Effect 3? Harsh.
What's the good part?
You don't have to have an awkward conversation.
That's scary. Should we go look for him?
Scary. Scary.
That's scary. Should we go look for him?
What? Richard? I don't want to be too assertive here, but I could use your input on a few things for the business plan.
Input. Input.
But I could use your input on a few things for the business plan.
Rich.
Mochaccino.
He rode his bike to San Jose?
Jared, can I borrow your car?
Borrow. Borrow.
Jared, can I borrow your car?
Train's this way.
Oh.
I
was gonna say.
Big Head. Whatever shit you're about to dump on my head, you can...
Dump. Dump.
Whatever shit you're about to dump on my head, you can... Whatever shit you're about to dump on my head, you can save it, okay? Not in the mood.
Mood. Mood.
You can save it, okay? Not in the mood.
Are you gonna fire Big Head or not?
I don't know. I'm just very tired. Okay.
Tire. Tire.
I'm just very tired. Okay? Fuck all of you. Big Head stays. You know, if I wanted to be a sellout, I'd have done that already. I'd be on a beach somewhere.
Beach. Beach.
I'd be on a beach somewhere. Big Head, you're not going home, man.
You're right, I'm not. Gavin Belson just offered me a huge promotion.
promotion, promotion,
Gavin Belson just offered me a huge promotion for revenge because you took Jared.
So you're like the VP of Spite?
spite, spite,
So you're like the VP of Spite?
Yo. If you run into Gavin ever, you have to act really upset about it, you know?
Oh, but I am upset.
upset, upset,
Oh, but I am upset. Oh, but I am upset. Okay, what the fuck? I kind of just went out on a limb for you here, man.
limb, limb,
I just went out on a limb for you here, man.
Sorry, man, but this is huge for me. I'm gonna move out, get my own place.
In light of this new information, who gets Big Head's equity?
Equity. Equity.
In light of this new information, who gets Big Head's equity?
Congratulations on the job, really. But if you'll excuse me, I have to go lock down a motherfucking business plan.
lock, lock,
I have to go lock down a motherfucking business plan.